It is truly wonderful to see how much progress our community has made on the new kindergarten block. As you can see, the sturdy walls are now fully up, and the wooden roof framework is finally taking shape against the sky. Seeing those timber beams lock into place is a special and emotional moment for all of us, because it means we are that much closer to putting a real protective roof over our children's heads. This space is no longer just a construction site. It is quickly becoming the safe, welcoming sanctuary we promised our young learners. We are building this legacy together, step by step, and we invite you to follow the journey with us at newsawereso.com.